Imagine a secret, a whisper against your skin, a rhythm that unlocks the deepest parts of you. It's not a pill, not a potion, just your fingertips. A few gentle taps, and a world of tension melting away. Welcome to EFT, Emotional Freedom Techniques. A dance between ancient wisdom and modern science that's here to seduce your mind, soothe your body, and set your emotions free. What if I told you there's a way to reprogram the shadows in your subconscious, to let go of the emotional baggage you didn't even know you were carrying? EFT tapping isn't just a technique. It's a rebellion against the weight of trauma, a sultry little key to unshackle your mental blocks. And it's been hiding in plain sight, waiting for you to discover it. Picture this. Your body's a map, crisscrossed with invisible energy highways. Meridians, they call them. The same ones acupuncture has traced for centuries. EFT takes those points, right here on your face, your chest, your hands, and turns them into a playground. You tap, you speak, you feel, and something shifts. It's not magic, darling. It's science with a seductive twist. Over 100 studies have peeled back the curtain on EFT. And the numbers? Oh, they're delicious. A 2016 review found it slashed anxiety scores by 40%, faster than traditional therapy in some cases. Another study in 2023 watched healthcare workers tap their stress away during the chaos of COVID. Significant drops in anxiety, all from a few minutes of this tantalizing ritual. And get this, 76% of people tapping for anxiety saw complete relief in just 3 sessions, compared to 51% with standard care. It's like a lover's touch for your nervous system. Quick, deep, and oh so effective. Let me tell you about Sarah. She was 34. A firecracker dimmed by years of silent trauma. Memories of a childhood that left her wired for fear. She tried everything. Therapy, meditation, even those little pills that promise peace but deliver fog. Then she found EFT. One rainy afternoon, she sat in her dimly lit apartment, fingers trembling as they tapped along her collarbone. Her voice soft but firm. Even though I feel this fear, I deeply and completely accept myself. Over weeks, the knots in her chest unraveled. The nightmares faded. She said it felt like peeling off a heavy coat she didn't even know she'd been wearing. Now, she's the one lighting up rooms again, free, fierce, and fully herself. Here's how it works. You pick your poison: stress, shame, that gnawing doubt that keeps you up at night. You rate it 0 to 10. Feel its pulse under your skin. Then you tap. Top of your head, the curve of your eyebrow, under your eye. 9 little hot spots while you whisper your truth. Even though I feel this, I'm still enough. Round by round, the intensity slips away, like a lover leaving at dawn. You're left lighter, clearer, ready to step into whatever's next. Why does it work? Science says it's a 1-2 punch. Tapping calms your amygdala, the primal alarm bell in your brain, while your words rewire the story. It's like hacking your own nervous system, but with a velvet touch. And the best part? You don't need a guru or a couch. Just you, your fingers, in 5 minutes to play. So, what's holding you back? A memory? A fear? A block you can't quite name? EFT's waiting. Simple, potent, and yours for the taking. Tap into it. Feel the shift. Let go of what's heavy and step into what's wild, free, and unapologetically you. Curious? Good. The journey's just a tap away. Hey folks, Michael Anthony here, your narrator and coach. If you're interested in EFT, then check out my playlist of EFT tapping videos. If you need more help, I'm here for you. Reach out at any time. Have a great day.